What's up everyone? In today's video, I just got a notification that a package has arrived for me for my Tacoma. I happen to be out in the R8 right now, so I'm headed to pick that up. I also have an exciting announcement for you guys. It's the first subscriber giveaway that we're doing, so make sure you stay tuned for this video for more details on the giveaway. So there we have it. That is everything that was sent to me from TUFSKINZ.com. So I will have their website down in the description below. I will also be going over that giveaway here later in this video. The first thing of all this I'm going to start with is my new AC ring vents. So they are currently chrome in the truck. Now I have them blue to match the rest of the truck, and that'll be the last of the chrome. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the driver's side, pretty basic installation, just peeling off the 3M on the backside, heating it up a bit, and then sticking it right to that surface. I thought it was going to cover all of the chrome. It just does the inside of the lip of it, but it hides it much better than being fully exposed, so that looks really cool. If you guys are wondering why I'm using a pink hair dryer, it's because I don't have one, so thank you to my girlfriend for letting me borrow that for the day. And as you guys can see, I'm out in the parking lot right now. How am I using that? You can see the extension cord run along the other side of my truck. And for the first time using this on my truck, I have the bed outlet. So I found out that the truck actually has to be on for it to work, obviously to send power to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the passenger side here. So the first thing that I'm doing is just taking a damp cloth. Oops, that's a little more than damp there. Taking a damp cloth and just cleaning off the surface of it. There is a lot of pollen out in the air right now. So there's gonna be a little bit of pollen on here. I'm just gonna lightly clean it off and make sure it's nice and dry. Once that's done, I'm just taking a knife to help me out with the backside of this 3M, getting that off of the adhesive backing. All right, and once I get that separated, now I can go ahead and start up the truck. It's gonna be a little hard from the passenger side. Hit that little button on the left side of my steering wheel, and now I've got power. I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit, nothing crazy. Just to get it a little more sticky. Very easy to do, but a nice subtle touch to the interior, matching the blue that I have on my center dash layout. I hear a Mustang. I think you guys could hear that. That was pretty loud. Oh, I think that's just a Shelby. Sounds really good. Now that I've completed that project, I have a few more things to install on the truck, but first I want to go over with you guys the giveaway. As I mentioned earlier, these products came to me from TUFSKINZ.com, so I will have a link to their website in the description below, along with how you guys can register for this giveaway. The first important rule is you have to have a 3rd gen Tacoma in order to participate. And what you'll get is the AC air vent rings that you guys just saw me install. There's foam cup holder inserts, along with side door foam inserts. You can get them in any color you'd like. All you have to do in order to participate is comment on this video, leave your color choice along with your Instagram name. That way I can DM the winner 1 week from today's video upload. You need to follow TUFSKINZ on Instagram. Again, I'll have a link down below. You also need to be subscribed to our channel, Bros for Speed. So 1 week from this upload date, I will pick a winner in the comment section down below, send you a message on Instagram, and then TUFSKINZ will send out the order to you. Now I'm gonna move on to the cup holder inserts. I'm gonna start up front where I have the wireless charger. I don't have the case for that. I hardly ever use it. So if you do use that and you have this, you can get the cutout insert for it to work. I just got it solid because I never use it. So this is just gonna insert right down there. Alright guys, so it's looking really cool right now. You can see I have that one done. Went ahead and put this back in, so you see there's 2 separate pieces. Then I just have my divider there. It is looking really cool compared to having nothing in there. So I'm going to show you guys now how to do the back 2. Then we just have one more for the passengers in the back there. So again, this process is very easy. All I'm doing is just taking a damp cloth and cleaning out all the dirt and any debris or anything, so that way I can make sure they get adhesive, or the adhesive sticks really well. And I'm doing that for everything. So the AC vents, all of these, and then for those side door inserts as well. It's pretty much all the same. So once I have that cleaned out very well, I can go ahead and peel off the backing. Just give it a little bit of heat. Now I just need to place it without hitting anything else. Make sure I got it centered. Oh no, it's not centered. And there we go. So hopefully you guys can see that down there. But I think it looks pretty cool. Again, you can get any color you want to match your truck. Alright guys, so that took about 5 minutes, I'd say, with filming. Very easy and straightforward. They're looking really cool. I love the accents that it gives. It's kind of hard to see the one in the back here because there's hardly any lighting back there, but there they are. They're looking really cool. It really spruces up the inside of the interior. Now it's time to move on to the third product, and that is all of the door foam inserts. I went ahead and already cleaned out this cup holder here on the driver's side. You guys don't need to see that. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the backing to this one. There are 2 pieces per door. So there's the 2 cup holders on the bottom. Then if you guys can see, I have handles on all of the doors. So there's one of those pieces on each side. I've already laid out which ones go where because they are obviously shaped differently. It's almost like a one-shot deal here because it's very tight space inside. So if I can get it, clear that back one. There we go. Just give it a nice firm push. So that actually wasn't that bad. It's just kind of the initial setting it, getting it in there. All right, so that one's done. Now this is the little piece for the driver door. And this piece is gonna be a little different because I have felt on the bottom of this. It's not just the normal plastic, but I'm gonna go ahead and line that one up. All right, so I'll show you guys a couple pan shots of those in the door because I was standing in my own shadow there.
Times of getting lost with you.
And now moving on to the rear seats, the cup holder or the storage space is much larger, so you can see how much longer this piece is. It's gonna be the same thing, just wiggling it in here first. Ooh, this one is a bit more snug. There we go. All right. So that should go all the way down in there. So it looks to be a little bit longer this way. It's kind of curling up a bit, but other than that, the fitment is really nice. Now on to the door handle for the rear seats. This one goes on just the same as the front. I'll go ahead and show you guys that setup. So you can see the door handle there. And then down below, they look so cool. They really give the interior a nice look, nice subtle touch, especially with the ones in the center there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the passenger side, and then I have one more surprise for you guys. So what I just figured out is all of the foam inserts on the door handles actually come out. So I didn't know that. I stuck it right to the foam itself. I probably can take that off and put it right there if I wanted to, but just an FYI, if you are doing this, go ahead and remove that foam insert first, and then you can stick this right to the inside there. And the last thing for today's video is new tailgate letters. Now this is not part of the giveaway, but these are available on TUFSKINZ website. Again, you can click on that link down below. I'm gonna be replacing the vinyl that I overlaid on the matte black vinyl. So when I did this, there were a lot of bubbles and everything. These solid letters are gonna look a lot nicer. I'm just not sure. I think I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off and put the letters back on rather than trying to cover these up. So it turns out that all of these letters are a little bit bigger than the vinyl that I have on already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that up. You're not gonna be able to see any of the bubbles, which is really nice. I don't think that peeling this off would peel off the black, but just to be sure, I'm just gonna stick this right on and it's gonna cover everything up. So that is gonna look much better. You can see all the bubbles on this side versus now no bubbles on this. So that sums up the installation of the TUFSKINZ products on my Tacoma. If you don't have a Tacoma or don't win the giveaway, use the promo code down in the description below. Save yourself 10% off your next order from TUFSKINZ.com. I definitely like these interior trim pieces, gives it a nice subtle touch, especially with the blue to match. And then the tailgate letters look a lot better than the vinyl that I used. 1 week from today, I will be messaging the winner down below. So definitely, again, if you're interested in the giveaway, leave your comment down below with your color choice. If you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys next video.